Today in this video you will learn how to apply page border in Microsoft Word. To apply a page border in Word, first you need to go to the Home tab, click on Border and Shading, go to the Border and Shading and click on Page Border and select Box, and you can select the style, you can select the color you want. Let's say I want this color. You can change the width also and you can apply to the whole document. Click on OK. So the page border will be applied. In case you want to modify, you can go the same way, or you can go to the design, click on page border and you can modify. Let's say I want the shadow border. You can select the shadow effect, you can select the width or color or to the options. So you have more options how you can top margin. Let's say I want to decrease the margin on top and bottom, you can decrease that. You can see the preview here and click on OK and OK. So the page border will be changed. If you don't want on the, let's say you don't want top border, click on this and similarly like this and click on OK. So the border will be applied based on your selection. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more useful videos and let us know if you have any suggestions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.